VaporSolve Ultra System is a 5-step system installation. The first step in proper system installation is surface preparation. First, the concrete is shot blasted twice in a crosshatch pattern so that the concrete has a CSP of 3 to 4. Once the concrete is profiled, it is vacuumed. It is recommended that you pre-measure your space and make reference marks to ensure proper coverage. For example, if you are mixing a 3-gallon kit of VaporSolve primer, you should place a marker every 600 square feet. Add entire contents of Part B into the A container. Mix for 1 full minute. Add the appropriate amount of water and mix for an additional minute using a low-speed drill. VaporSolve primer is installed at 200 square feet per gallon or 8 mils thick. VaporSolve primer is a water-based epoxy material with deep penetration and adhesion to concrete. It eliminates or greatly reduces concrete outgassing. Mix the entire contents of A and B together for 2 full minutes using a low-speed drill. This system is used to remediate all levels of concrete moisture vapor transmission. VaporSolve 100 is installed at 200 square feet per gallon, or 8 mils thick. VaporSolve 100 is a low viscosity, hydrophobic resin system that cures on damp or wet concrete. This system is used if reactive silicates have been previously applied to the concrete, or if the history of the concrete cannot be positively determined. Mix the entire contents of A and B together for 2 full minutes using a paddle-type mixer. Make sure to scrape the sides of the mixing container and mix for 1 more full minute. Lastly, all cracks and joints are filled with VaporSolve joint filler. VaporSolve joint filler is a non-shrinking, semi-rigid epoxy paste used for filling joints and cracks in concrete. It resists long-term moisture and alkalinity.